Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to NIPS Home School. Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty. This is Kamrun, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Deshi. My dear students of class 5, today I am going to take your Bangladesh and Global Studies class. And our today's topic is Lesson 3 from Chapter 11. That means we will know about the Mro ethnic group today. And the page number is 86 and 87. So all of you take your Bangladesh and Global Studies book. Now we will start our class. The Mro, and we all know about the Mro is another ethnic group in our Bangladesh, and they live in the hilly areas of our country, just like the Garo and the Khasi people. The Mro is another ethnic group of hilly area. They live in different upazilas of Bandarban district near the border with Myanmar. So the Mro live with the border of Myanmar. That means in different upazilas of Bandarban district near the border with Myanmar. That means they live in Bandarban district, but where with the border of Myanmar. Now we will know about their language. The Mro have their own language, and it has written form. It will be form. There is a correction in your book, FORM, not from. It will be form. It has written form too. The Kashi and the Garo language are only spoken. Those two languages are only spoken, but this language has the written form too. That means they have their own alphabet. UNESCO have called it an endangered language. If not maintained properly, the language may be extinct. That means this language is going to be extinct. That's why UNESCO called it an endangered language, and we all need to be, we all need to come forward to maintain this language. Otherwise, we will, lose this language. Now, religion. Most Mro are Buddhist. Now look, most Mro are Buddhist now, but this is not their original religion or traditional religion. This is their traditional religion was Torai. Now look, in the past the traditional religion was Torai with a sect called Krama. So there are a section in this religion, and the section is called Krama. Some of them have also accepted Christianity. So the traditional religion was Torai, but nowadays they are the followers of Buddha, but some of them are the followers of Christian religion. Now we will know about the society. The head of the family is the father. That means they have a patriarchal society, and the Garo and the Khashi have the matriarchal society. And the society has a village-based organization, and this village-based organization maintain all the activities of this ethnic group. Now we will know about their house. Mro houses are called kim. They are built with bamboo walls and platforms and a straw roof. Now look at your book, page number 87. Now look, there is a picture of the Mro houses. This house is called kim. This house is made of bamboos. Now look on a platform. Now look on a platform, and the walls are made of bamboo, and the roof is made of straw. And this house is called kim. And this is very important for filling the blanks and the short question answer also. Now we will know about their food habit. The main foods of the Mro are rice, dried fish, and different kind of meat. Just like the Bangladeshis, their main food is rice and different, but they like to have dried fish and different kinds of meat also. And there is a special food called napi. Now look, one of their delicious food is napi. This is one kind of fish paste, and this is their special food. That means this is the special food of the Mro ethnic group, napi. Remember this one. Now we will know about the clothing. The traditional wear of the Mro women is called wanglai, and the men wear short white dress. Now look at this picture in your book, page number 86. Now look, there is a colorful picture in your book. The Mro women put on their traditional dress called wanglai. So this is the traditional dress, and the men wear short white dress. Now we will know about their festivals. The Mro celebrate births, weddings, and deaths. So they celebrate birthdays, wedding ceremony, and death anniversary. And there is another special ritual when children reach 3 years, there is a ritual to pierce their ears. So when the children become 3 years old, they pierce the ears of the children. This is their special ritual. Now we will go to next page, page number 87. We will do section B. This is very important. Write 3 sentences to compare the Mro with the Garo and the Khasi. And you all know that the Garo, Khasi are the ethnic groups of our country. So if you want to write the answer, if you want to write the 3 sentences comparing the Mro with the Garo and the Khasi, you need to know about those ethnic groups at first. So what will you do? You will go through your textbook at first. Now look, the Garo and the Khasi have matriarchal society, whereas the Mro have patriarchal society. And now look, the language of the Garo and the Khasi are what? Only spoken, but the language of the Mro is both spoken and written. And what is another comparison? What can be? Now look, we can also mention there about the religion, right? That means the Garo are now the follower of Christian, but before that their religion was Sangsaric. That means nowadays they are the follower of Christian religion, and the Khasi follow Ublai Nangtho, that means who is considered the creator of the earth, and the Mro are the Buddhists now, and they are the followers of the Buddha, but some of them are Christian. So dear students, we will discuss elaborately in our live class this question. Now we can go to section D. The Mro people live near the border of where? The border of Myanmar. Okay, or Myanmar, in English it is Myanmar. The Mro people live near the border of Myanmar. All of you can write it down. Now look, there is a homework. This is homework number 8. All of you will make 5 fill in the blanks from lesson 3, chapter 11. That means from our today's topic, you will make 5 fill in the blanks, and the sentences should be meaningful. So dear students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood about today's topic. All of you will go through your textbook before doing your homework. See you again. Allah Hafiz.